Want to turn your affiliate marketing efforts into a cash-generating machine? Stick around as we dive into how to create high-converting content that drives sales. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating high-converting content for affiliate marketing. Creating high-converting content for affiliate marketing. This is part 3 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we're going to explore proven strategies and tips for producing engaging content that not only attracts your audience but also drives affiliate sales. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to boost your current efforts, this video is packed with actionable insights to help you succeed. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income, but one of the biggest challenges is creating content that converts. Many marketers struggle to produce content that resonates with their audience and drives sales. Low engagement, content that doesn't engage your audience. Poor conversion rates, high traffic but low sales. Lack of trust, difficulty in building trust with your audience. In this video, we'll address these challenges and provide you with a step-by-step guide to creating high-quality content that converts. Let's dive into the key strategies for creating high-converting content for affiliate marketing. 1. Understanding your audience. The foundation of high-converting content is a deep understanding of your audience. You need to know their needs, preferences, and pain points to create content that resonates with them. Demographics: age, gender, location, income, etc. Interests and hobbies: what are they passionate about? Pain points: what problems are they facing? Buying behavior: how do they make purchasing decisions? Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and surveys to gather this information. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to meet their needs. 2. Choosing the right content formats. Different content formats work better for different audiences and platforms. Here are some of the most effective formats for affiliate marketing. Blog posts: detailed articles that provide value and incorporate affiliate links naturally. Videos: engaging and visual content that can demonstrate products and build trust. Social media posts: quick and shareable content that can drive traffic to your affiliate links. Email marketing: personalized content that reaches your audience directly and encourages conversions. Experiment with different formats to see what works best for your audience. Combining multiple formats can also maximize your reach and impact. 3. Crafting compelling headlines and introductions. Your headline and introduction are the first things your audience sees, so they need to grab attention and spark interest. Be clear and specific. Clearly state what the content is about. Create curiosity. Use intriguing questions or statements. Highlight benefits. Show the value or benefit of reading further. Your introduction should hook your audience in the first few sentences. Use storytelling, interesting facts, or bold statements to draw them in. 4. Providing value through quality content. High-converting content provides value to your audience. This means offering useful information, solving problems, and answering questions. In-depth information. Go beyond the basics and provide detailed insights. Actionable tips. Offer practical advice that your audience can implement. Personal experiences. Share your own experiences and testimonials to build trust. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust you and consider your recommendations. 5. Incorporating affiliate links naturally. Incorporating affiliate links naturally into your content is crucial. You don't want your content to come off as overly promotional or salesy. Contextual links. Embed links within relevant and natural parts of your content. Product reviews. Write detailed reviews and include affiliate links. Tutorials and how-tos. Demonstrate how to use products and include links. Resource lists. Create lists of recommended products with links. Ensure that your affiliate links fit seamlessly into your content and enhance the value you're providing. 6. Using SEO best practices. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for driving organic traffic to your content. Here are some SEO best practices to follow. Keyword research. Identify and use relevant keywords in your content. On-page SEO. Optimize titles, headings, meta descriptions, and URLs. High-quality backlinks. Build links from reputable sources to improve your content's authority. Mobile optimization. Ensure your content is mobile-friendly for a better user experience. Following SEO best practices will help your content rank higher in search results, attracting more traffic and potential conversions. 7. Leveraging visual content. Visual content can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. It makes your content more engaging and easier to understand. Images. High-quality images of products and relevant visuals. Infographics. Visual representations of information and data. Videos. Demonstrations, reviews, and tutorials. Charts and graphs. Visualize data and comparisons. Incorporating visual content can make your affiliate promotions more appealing and effective. 8. Creating engaging videos. Video content is one of the most powerful tools for affiliate marketing. It allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level and demonstrate products effectively. Plan your content, outline your video, and script it if necessary. High-quality production. Use good lighting, sound, and editing. Engage your audience. Speak directly to the camera and encourage interaction. Include CTAs. Clearly instruct viewers on what to do next, such as clicking on affiliate links. Videos can build trust and credibility, making your audience more likely to follow your recommendations. 9. Utilizing social media platforms. Social media is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. It allows you to reach a wider audience and engage with them directly. Consistent posting. Maintain a regular posting schedule. Engaging content. Share content that resonates with your audience. Interactive posts. Encourage comments, likes, and shares. Paid ads. Utilize social media advertising to boost your reach. Leveraging social media can drive traffic to your content and increase your affiliate sales. 10. Building an email list. Building an email list is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products. It allows you to reach your audience directly and build a relationship with them. Lead magnets. Offer valuable freebies in exchange for email signups. Personalized content. Tailor your emails to your audience's interests. Regular newsletters. Send consistent updates with valuable content and affiliate promotions. Segmentation. Segment your email list for targeted promotions. Email marketing can drive conversions and build long-term loyalty with your audience. Let me share a success story with you. Success Story Name started their affiliate marketing journey by focusing on creating high-quality, engaging content. By understanding their audience, choosing the right content formats, and leveraging SEO and social media, they were able to achieve remarkable success. Creating high-converting content made all the difference for me. By providing value and building trust with my audience, I was able to drive significant affiliate sales and grow my online business. To recap, creating high-converting content for affiliate marketing involves understanding your audience, choosing the right content formats, crafting compelling headlines, providing value, incorporating affiliate links naturally, using SEO best practices, leveraging visual content, creating engaging videos, utilizing social media, and building an email list. By implementing these strategies, you can create high-quality content that not only attracts your audience but also converts them into buyers. Remember, consistency and providing genuine value are key to success in affiliate marketing. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start creating high-converting content for your affiliate marketing efforts. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about succeeding in affiliate marketing, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you tried any of these strategies before? Share your experiences and any additional tips you have in the comments below. Let's help each other succeed. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't forget to share it with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.